Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to Finance Tube. Your friend and finance guru Vishal Thakkar is back again with an interesting topic of discussion. But hold on, before we discuss today's topic of discussion, I have a celebrity guest coming over to our channel today. And ladies and gentlemen, he needs no introduction. But I hunted him down from his movie Bheja Fry 2, where he was an income tax officer catching people doing financial frauds. So, ladies and gentlemen, here we have Mr. Suresh Menon.
Thank you, Vishal.
So good to have you, sir.
Pleasure to be here with you, Vishal, because firstly, congratulations, what a wonderful channel this is, and been really helping a lot of people out there to understand more about finance. I am supposed to be a cost accountant. I didn't clear my group. This, you know what, the second group I cleared something, first group clear nahi hua, so I got stuck. But I'm here today to ask Vishal a few questions and on his channel. And I remember so many years back, Sajid Khan had got me on his show. Show बहुत बड़ी hit हुई थी and ये show तो already बहुत बड़ा hit है. So Vishal, should I start something or you have got something else to tell our viewers?
No, I'm waiting for your questions today. I mean, what is it that you want to know as a viewer of my channel? What is it that you want to know?
Okay, firstly, I'm always confused about mutual funds में निवेश करें and all those things, and suddenly फटाफट लोग बात करते हैं, so you really do not know what's happening out there. So I'm sure all these people know about it, but still, as a layman, does it really help me when I do mutual funds? Or it's better for me to put my hard-earned money जो advance में मिलता है वो सब FD में डालना चाहिए? What do you think?
Okay, so I'm glad that you asked this question first of all. Very simply put, these days you must be seeing a lot of ads saying mutual fund sahi hai. Now a lot of people question me that to what extent this is true. And if we look at the performance of last 7 years, all people selling mutual funds are vacationing abroad.
Damn it, yeah, you're right.
And all people who have invested are also very happy. Because what has happened is that broadly all the indices have moved up, the stock market is doing good, but not all stocks are performing well. That is where a fund manager of mutual fund is helping people to pick the right stocks and is able to deliver good returns even when broader markets were not doing well. So yes, if you look at the recent past, mutual funds have beaten a lot of indices. And if we were to compare them with fixed deposits actually give you negative return if you factor your inflation and taxes. So if your FD is giving you, let's say 7%, and if you're a senior citizen 8%, then your inflation is double digit today, and the interest on FD comes to you at a tax slab rate. So if you go to see, put together, you are shelling out 15-16% from your pocket, and the bank is giving you just 8. So you actually lose money when you put money in FD.
Damn it, it's scary. और आजकल TDS भी करता है.
Yes.
Oh my God, it's scary. Okay, one very interesting thing I wanted to know is I wrote it down also. घर पे homework कर रहा था कि what's the difference between personal finance and corporate finance? You know, like month end आ जाता है, so you know a lot of people feel कि यार अभी करूँगा क्या? So even for actors ऐसे हो जाता है when you are doing daily soaps. We always hope कि पैसे आ जाए. You know, sometimes there's a 90 days credit. Of course, मैं startup में हूँ तो my people are used to this. उनको ये problem है ही नहीं. Let me tell you. Ask me why.
Why?
They don't get their salaries on time.
Okay, so that's a very pertinent question that you asked. See, if I were to put it in very layman terms, the only difference between corporate finance and personal finance is that personal finance comes into picture if you are able to save something.
Okay.
Mutual fund, FD, all of this we talk when you have savings. But today in the culture of conspicuous consumption, we hardly have anything left to save. You know, when the salary comes in one SMS, EMI goes in another SMS, and then you just go back to work. I mean,
so your happiness is only for 10 days. First 10 days once the salary comes in.
So that, ladies and gentlemen, was Suresh Menon for you and his questions on finance. The fun continues in the next series, and make sure that you tune into our channel and subscribe to our channel. And if you still haven't subscribed, subscribe it today. And if you have subscribed, don't forget to press the bell icon. Subscribe to our channel, Finance Tube.